Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to the Think Nursing channel, where it's all about nursing, travel, and lifestyle. So today we want to just take the time out to say thank you for, tuning in. It is Monday. It is December the 30th, and it's the last Monday of the year. And I just want to kind of take a time out to tune in and just say, I'm hoping that 2025 is going to be another year of, wonderful things happening in your life. I know a lot of persons, when we started out in 2024, we had a lot of the New Year resolutions and all. And now looking at the ending of 2024, we're saying, oh my word, where did 2024 go? Some persons thought 2024 was like the longest year, the hardest year, and some persons just think 2024 just come and go. In the blink of an eye, it's done. The New Year's resolutions that we had, the realistic expectations that we had, we never really get a chance to, get a lot of things done. So it's the end of the year, and a lot of persons procrastinated on a lot of things that they wanted to do. But I want to encourage persons that, go ahead and start, put your plans in place for 2025. Because even though 2025 is, because even though 2025 is going to be the same body, the same you, just remember that, if you're determined to make those changes, it is going to be, done. It is going to be possible once you're able to crush all of your goals in 2024, 2025 because of your determination. So go ahead and put your plans in place for your new year and say, this is what you need to get done. I know a lot of times, we start out the year with saying that we're going to the gym. And I know a lot of persons last year, including myself, we had gym membership, and God bless the amount of time we decided to go to the gym. It's always a case where we probably put on our clothes, take a few pictures, and, we say, okay, we put it up on Instagram to say, okay, this is what is going in, and we were not consistently with it. And then now we're having regrets, because when you look at the weight, when you look at the little baggage that we're carrying, and then with the fact that, it's the end of the year, Christmas, and all of us eat up all of those food, we're thinking about, the fact that we've added another 20 pounds to what we were trying to lose in 2024 or this year. So I want it to be a case where, a lot of persons, rather than signing up for gym membership and not going, make sure to pick up on the bag next year and go to the gym. Don't turn it into no workout at home session, because those workout at home, even though they're good sometimes, if you're not motivated to go to the to work out consistently, workout at home is not going to be for you. All right. Another thing that a lot of persons, I've noticed last year, or this year rather, I don't know why I'm speaking it like, the year is already 2025, but a lot of persons were involved in a lot of group chats. And I know for sure, with my company, a lot of times some of those group chats were, so a lot of persons were involved in a lot of group chats. It can be regarding work, or it can be family. And sometimes those group chats can be a very annoying thing, especially the one for work, because you have to be professional at all times in trying to respond to some of those messages. Unlike, the family chats, you tend to find yourself talking about mostly food or just meet up, especially with December just ending, depending on your culture, what you normally would bring to, your different group meetings or your different family settings, then, it's always a good vibe with all of those. But I know a lot of persons had a lot of group chats, and I'm hoping that, and they're hoping that 2025 won't have that much, group chats there. Another thing we have a lot of regret is, so a lot of times, as I said, we make resolutions and then we go ahead and not fulfill them. And so at the end of the year, this is the time when we realize that, we're having a lot of regrets. So we don't really want to sit down and ponder in 2025 about the things that we never did in 2024. Just remember, it's the same you, it's the same body, but just a different mindset. If it is a case where you decide that you definitely want to go to the gym and work out, go there. Go to the gym and work out, and make sure that your goals that you had in mind for 2024, even though them gone or 2024 gone, just remember that, 2025 is the year that you can actually try to make those dreams, those goals become reality. All right. If it means you're going to write down a list and keep it as a reminder on your phone, try and make the effort to do it right this year or next year. All right, so as we go about welcoming 2025, I know a lot of persons are rushing around the house to do certain things. In Jamaica, this is the time when we normally go ahead and clean down. You change out bed linens, you change out curtains, and you want to look new for 2025. All of them fancy stuff there. Cook up more food, put on top of the food that leave over from Christmas. This is the time when we are going to go ahead and reset. We're going to reset our goals We're going to reset our lives, you know, make sure that 2025 is a year that is going to be better than any other year, you know, because we don't know what can happen. You know, we don't know what can happen today. We don't know what can happen tomorrow. And so we want to try to make sure that we're making better decisions for 2025. Decisions regarding love, decisions regarding relationships, decisions regarding, you know, our faith. A lot of things we definitely need to make better decisions regarding for 2025 and make sure that we're setting ourselves up to make the best decision of the year. So now, as I say, you know, we might make wrong decisions, or we might have made decisions in 2024. You know, some of us, we went ahead and we put on our goals to say, oh, we want to lose 20 pounds. But by the time I look, it's the end of the year and we put on 20 more pounds. So we want to make sure that in 2025, we're gonna set ourselves up to make realistic expectations, and at the same time, for the goals that we never met in 2024, we're gonna try to get those done for 2025. So whatever 2024 had looked like for you, just remember that you made it through and you're jumping in to 2025, and this is the year that is going to be different than any other year. So I just want to say, you know, big up yourself. Remember, put God first in everything that you do. And to everyone out there, cheers on surviving to 2024, because, you know, it is without a doubt we would have. So cheers to you for surviving 2025. So cheers to you for surviving 2024, to the laughs, to the struggles, to, you know, the memories of 2024. 2025 is gonna be the year with love, laughter, and hopefully more sleep for some persons. So make sure we make it count for 2025. Make sure we put the effort in, especially when it comes on to self-care. Make sure we put the effort in to take care of ourselves as we go throughout the year. All right, and so, you know, as I sit down here just before going in to see a patient, I just wanted to just take the time out to say, you know, 2025 is going to be a new year, but it's going to be the same chaos but more fun. All right, until then, thank you so much for tuning in. I remember to give the video a thumbs up, a like, a share, and subscribe. Until then, I will see you in 2025, but you know, we're still going to post in 2024, so we still have a little bit more time to go. Until then, bye.